Hey YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imani and you are watching Faith by Design. Today is Saturday, so happy Saturday to everyone. I pray that everyone has a great weekend and are getting out enjoying some sunshine. I wanted to hop on here and say that I would like to do a little shout out to the BCL ladies for this week. That's Red to Black Budgeting, Funding Magita Jones, Budget Stuff, Save Repeat, and Budgeting Just Because. Today, tomorrow, we'll start the week 4 for the BCL movement, started by Budgeting April. So the new budgeters for the upcoming week, since I'm not exactly sure when I will post my next video, so I wanted to announce them right now. So the next 4 are All Things Kimberly, Budget with Crazy in Love, I Desire Wealth, and Budgeting to Freedom. So if you have a chance to check them out, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to their YouTube channels. And I'll also check out to see if there are any Etsy shops. So I'll post everything down below. And let's go ahead and jump into this video. I wanted to do a budget by paycheck, as well as go over the EveryDollar app that I love to use for my expense tracking. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we filled everything out in our planner, put the income, the fixed expenses, as well as the variable expenses. I did not have any sinking funds or extra debt payments this paycheck. So once we tallied everything up, we were left with a buffer of $36.91. So what I will do is go ahead and show you in the EveryDollar app how I input everything. Since I get paid bi-weekly, I put everything in the EveryDollar app and then start to track expenses so that each paycheck will have its own separate set of expenses. So let's go ahead and check it out. Okay guys, welcome back. We are here in the EveryDollar app, but I'm online, I'm on the computer, because I noticed that in the app itself, you can't go in and add a category. I'll explain later. So basically, we're here in the EveryDollar app. It's June 2022, paycheck number 1, and this is a combined paycheck for each of my employers. So we have paycheck 1E, paycheck 1C. This represents the 2 employers that I get paid from bi-weekly. I do like the EveryDollar app as a whole. And since I get paid bi-weekly, I feel it's easier to do it this way, since EveryDollar is set up as a monthly budget. So what happens is, if you get paid every 2 weeks and you go in to add your income per paycheck, it'll commingle both paychecks or both pay periods together. So I wanted to keep them separate. So basically what I do is I go in, add my income. The total amount is $2,192, and so these are a combination of 2 employees or 2 checks, 2 employers, 2 checks. So we go down here and we add our expenses. These are pre-made categories that the EveryDollar app uses. So what I do is bypass those categories, and I go all the way to the bottom where it says Add Group. Once you hit that, you'll be able to label it Paycheck 1, Paycheck 2, Pay Period 1, however you would like to do it to represent how often you get paid. I do Paycheck 1 so that way I can just combine all of my paychecks into one as a whole. So for paycheck 1, I added my expenses. Eating out, planned $180, Gas South 158. And as you can see, when you click on a category to the right of it, it will show the due date. You can add the transaction. So on June 6th, I paid Gas South, and now the remaining is 0. So in this column, it shows 0 because it was already paid. For groceries, budgeted for $400, remaining is $63. And then you can put where you spent your money. As you can see, June 4th, I spent $171.18 at Walmart. And then on the 5th, I did another $73.34, Aldi and Target. So yes, this is how it works. And let's see, I have a lot of categories that I just go ahead and delete or add to it depending on the paycheck and how much I'm working with. So when you get paid again, I will put everything, or when I get paid again, I will put everything under paycheck 2, and I can, whatever bill I pay, that's what I will budget for that pay period. Go back up here, as you can see, it says at the top, it's an EveryDollar budget. This means that everything is zeroed out. It's a zero-based budget. And for my buffer, it's $36.91. So that is how you budget paycheck to paycheck using the app. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and check out the BCL ladies for this week. I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.